So welcome friends. Today we will discuss HDFC Bank Limited. It is the largest private sector bank in the country with a market cap of 11 lakh 64,000 crores. Now let's have a look at its journey. The bank was started in 1995 and was listed in the same year on Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, and it got oversubscribed 55 times. The bank launched its first international debit card in India in association with Visa International, and it began its digital journey by launching online real-time net banking. Its first ever mega merger in Indian banking industry happened with Times Bank in 1999. In the year 2000, it launched its first mobile banking application, which was SMS based, and in 2001, it got listed on the New York Stock Exchange. In 2008, the bank launched its first commercial operation in Bahrain and merged with Centurion Bank of Punjab in one of the largest mergers in the Indian banking industry. In 2012, it launched mobile banking app in Hindi and launched premium credit cards for doctors. In 2015, it launched PayZapp, India's first one-click mobile pay solution. And in 2016, it launched missed call mobile recharge for prepaid mobiles and termed ATMs to loan dispensing machines, and also launched Smart Up program for startups in the same year. In 2019, in 2017, it launched its IRA Interactive Robotic Assistant and became the first bank in India to introduce a humanoid for customer services. And it also introduced EVA Chatbox, India's first AI-based chatbot to provide customer services. In 2019, it signed MOU with government to financially empower 2 lakh rural Indian villages through CSCs. And in the year 2019, it opened its 5,000th branch. In 2022, HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited announced transformational merger, and it also launched a smart hub Vyapar for merchant solutions through which they can access all banking and business solutions. And in 2003, it revamped PayZapp to 2.0 payment app that provides customers with a seamless, intuitive user experience with enhanced security features. And in on July 1, 2023, it created one of the world's most valued banks by merger of HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited. This transforms HDFC Bank into a financial services conglomerate and completes their product suite through the addition of home loans. The bank has got about 7,757 ATMs. In the metros, in urban areas, the ATMs count is 5,123. In semi-urban areas, the ATM count is 5,289, and in rural areas is 1,558. If we look at its pan-India presence, they've got 2,158 branches in metros. In urban areas, they've got branches of 1,566. In semi-urban areas, 2,674 branches. In rural areas, the branches are 1,415, which makes the total branches a figure of 7,813. And if we look at the touch points, which includes A, B, C, and P and business correspondents, in metros there are 2,612. In urban areas there are 2,514. Touch points in semi-urban areas, the total is 5,781. In rural areas, the total touch points are 12,831. So the touch point total is about 23,738. If we have a look at the financials of the previous year, the balance sheet stood at 24 lakh 66,000 crores, which was an increase of 19.2%, and profit after tax was 44,109 crores, which was an increase of 19.3%. Earnings per share was 79.3, which was a growth of 18.6%. Deposits grew by 20% to 18,83,395 crores. Advances were to the tune of 16 lakh crores, which was a growth of 16.9%. Return on equity was 17.4%, which was an improvement of 50 basis points, and dividend per share was 19 rupees, and return on assets average was 2.07. Now let's have a look at the key financials of the company. The market cap of the bank is 11,64,000 crores, making it the largest private sector bank in the country. Current price is 1,536. It made a 52-week high of 1,758 and a 52-week low of 1,427. Stock is currently trading at a P/E of 17.6, and the book value is 519, which means that the stock is trading at a book value of 2.96 times. And if we look at the ROCE of the bank, it is 6.24% and ROE is 17.1%. Debt to equity is 7.39, which is okay for a bank. Promoter holding is 0. That means it's a professionally managed bank now. Earlier, there was a stake of HDFC Limited in it, which got merged recently. Now, if we have a look at the price chart of the bank, we can see that from 53 rupees way back in 2005, it has reached the levels of 1535. Having a look at the quarter gone by, the revenues increased from 47,000 crores to 51,000 crores. It made a financing margin of 13%, which was a dip of 2% from the previous quarter. And having a look at the profit before net profit, the net profit also showed a dip, and it was at 12,400 crores, while it was 12,634 crores in the previous quarter. Having a look at the yearly performance, in 2015, the revenues were to the tune of 50,000 crores, which is more than 3 times in March 2023, with a revenue of 1,70,000 crores, and financing margin stands at 18%. It is between 15 to 18%, and net profit has also grown substantially from 10,000 crores to about 46,000 crores, which is more than 4 times since 2015. And if we look at the trailing 12 months compounded sale growth, it is 31%. Compounded profit growth for trailing 12 months is 23%. 1 year price CAGR is 7%, and return on equity for last year is 17%. Having a look at the balance sheet, the bank has got a reserves of 2,88,000 crores and borrowing of 21,39,000 crores. And having a look at the shareholding pattern, after the merger, FIs hold 52% in the bank, DIs hold 30% in the bank, and rest 17% is with the public. So this was it about HDFC Bank Limited, and we'll meet up soon in a new video. Till then, take care and have a good time.